Morning, Jason.
Morning, Kevin.
Sun's out.
We're in spring, but you think it's
Blue
not.
skies, look at all them.
Summer.
All them vapour trails. People say that's cloud seeding. They
That's what?
Cloud seeding. They reckon they spray chemicals in the air to make it rain and all that. Just vapour trails.
It's off the planes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't seen you for a week, have I?
You haven't, no?
You had an unfortunate accident, didn't you, Kev?
I did.
Go on, tell everyone.
What, with my van?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know my water heater packed up. Had no water when I was at Donington Park.
Couldn't have a shower or anything, could you?
I could, because there were showers on site. So,
So what's up then?
Eh? Well, Mrs. had to boil a kettle to wash up. Well, we managed, we coped. We didn't need the heater anyway, because it was lovely. Normally when I go to Donington Park it pours down. I told everybody not to plan anything for that weekend, and it was like this, it was glorious.
Good, good. So later on today we're going to fix your heater, aren't we?
We are.
So we thought it was the fan on it, but it's not.
It showed the fault as the fan, the combustion fan. So we changed the combustion fan because we had one in stock. And then the fault showed that it was a circuit board. So we detected by, on your circuit board you get a series of flashing, a series of dot dot dot, like Morse code but on the flashing light. And then we get our codes out and it's a circuit board. I mean, the fan's more expensive.
So what you're saying is you get a little fault, a little dashing.
Yeah.
Right.
So you
never ever ask Cav to read out the dots and the dashes.
Oh right, I got it wrong. Yeah. Okay.
Because by the time he'd finished with it, the fault was to replace the old van.
Oh, there's another thing as well. Do you remember when we were saying about...
Oh yes, yes. So today we're going to do a bit of a review. We've got a Volkswagen today, Kev.
Yeah, nice colour. I like the colour.
And our partners, Pegasus Finance. So if you're looking to finance your motorhome or even any type of vehicle, you can use Pegasus. Now, in a previous video,
We cocked up.
no,
Well, I
see
cocked
how
up.
it's we. In the previous video, Kevin went on a rant of about Pegasus, and it was about a bridge and about this and about everything else.
It was
really, really informative, right? But then he turned round afterwards, a few hours later, and said, I've got it all completely wrong.
No, I was thinking of the bridge in Holland, which was Operation Market Garden, yeah?
Right, so just quickly tell people about that one.
Right, Operation Market Garden was when they parachuted in and their gliders going in, and it was in the total wrong location, and it was a bit of a disaster, that one. But
and you said the Pegasus was the symbol for the paratroopers as well, didn't you?
It's the airborne, when they have the wings on the shoulder.
Yeah.
That's airborne troops, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's flying horse, Pegasus.
Right.
And what happened was in Normandy, when on the D-Day, these troops went in advance. They went in with gliders, horse gliders,
okay.
Yeah, to take two bridges in Normandy, right? One was over the canal and the other one was over the river. They renamed those bridges. The one over the canal they renamed as Pegasus Bridge, and the other bridge they named as Horsa. That's where I got confused, because I've been to the one in Holland.
You've been to it as well?
The one in Holland I have, yeah. At Nijmegen, yeah.
Right.
That was a bridge too far. Do you remember a bridge too far?
Bridge too far, the Phil?
That was the one, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, that. Any confusion? So Pegasus is the wing horse, which is the emblem worn by the airborne.
Pegasus is the wing horse, yeah. And then that, when they went to Normandy, they took two bridges and they renamed one the Pegasus Bridge.
They did.
Right. So everything you said before, just
forget everything.
just forget. I think we did actually cut it out the video as well, just so people didn't get confused and everything else. So just
especially when I've been to the one, which wasn't the Pegasus Bridge.
So you actually did some extensive research then, Kev, didn't you?
No, I've got my brain working. Because I knew the story anyway, and I got it cut. But yeah, anyway, Volkswagen.
All right.
German.
Our partner's Pegasus Finance. If you're looking at financing any type of for your motorhome or your campervan, link will be below.
And on that note, we're going to review a German vehicle. And it's VE day. Come on, let's go and do a Ford.
Right.
President Trump wants to rename VE Day anyway because he
Does
said,
he?
yeah, because he said the Americans won the war. It was them that won it.
Oh, they win everything, don't they?
But they didn't do it for nothing. We've actually just finished paying them back.
Ah, they do everything, don't they?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? They invented
he's wrong,
football,
anyway.
they invented this.
Because John Wayne and my dad won the war. Who? John Wayne and my dad.
Tell me about that.
Well, you see all the war films, John Wayne's winning the war. And my dad was in the war. So it must be John Wayne and my dad. You lied
How
about
did we get onto all this, Ken?
because we just waffle.
Okay, Swift Rio, 310.
No.
No.
Volkswagen Transporter.
Volks-
Skyline.
Okay, we've got a Volkswagen Transporter. It's only done 13,000 miles, Kevin. It's a 2021, as you can see.
Yeah.
Probably going to be round about the 45s to buy. It's had a service in 23 and 24, one at 5,000, one at 10,000. It's a 2-litre Euro 6 diesel. Vapor trails.
And it's an helicopter.
Oh, yeah.
Look there. We've actually got the Ministry of Defence helicopter training school near here, so that's why
We get a lot of military vehicles coming over, don't we?
Yeah. We've got RAF Shawbury, which is about 5 miles up the road.
We have. It's a Highline TDI. Now, lengthwise, 4.9 metres.
Under 5 metres.
Under 5 metres.
Just. Wouldn't be if you put a bike rack on it, would it?
We've got, it's got all the kit on it here, Kev. Underslung gas, diesel heater, Skyline pop top,
Yep.
Wolf race alloys.
They were all the boy race ones, Wolf Race, weren't they?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, all the,
I've really washed this off the other day. Look at it already.
everything's dusty, isn't it?
Dust's just dusty. Dusty. Full width at bed. Multifunctional steering wheel. That's going to confuse you, Kev, isn't it?
It means it's got the radio controls and all that on the steering.
Fresh water capacity.
10 litres, not got. Because they don't have a tank, do they?
Well done. Wastewater.
Wastewater? No, there won't be one.
0.
Zero.
It's on form today, is Kev.
Well, it's a VW, isn't it? They don't have a water tank, they don't have a waste tank.
Let's go and have a look at the front of it, Kev.
Nice colour.
It is, isn't it?
Have you noticed this colour and the greys are very in fashion now, aren't they?
Yes. Yeah.
Very
It's
nice.
like,
It's sunny now.
I'm thinking of eggshell.
No.
No. Oh, I tell you what I've noticed just lately. You know when you go and buy your eggs, how come they've all gone white?
They're very popular, white eggs. They're laid by white chickens. But my daughter's got a small holding up the road and her eggs aren't white. You get blue ones. The blue ones are that, you break your plate trying to crack them. But no. So brown eggs, blue eggs. Yeah,
Well, I got some from a supermarket the other day.
yeah, white eggs.
They're all white.
Yeah,
How's that working?
yeah, they're no good supermarket ones. You want free range.
I'm not yoking.
No yolk.
No. No. So, you know who served me as well?
Go on.
Michelle. Oh, cracking you up there, Kev. Anyway, come on. Nice looking thing, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
One thing I've got to give Volkswagen credit for, they're a good looking van, aren't they?
Yeah.
You've got the pop top.
Hmm.
Yeah. We've got these wheels, got colour coded mirrors. Shall I have a look inside?
It might be an idea. You know, I think people would like to see inside rather than just look at the outside. Might be nothing in it for all they know. It could be an empty van.
Only just arrived, so we haven't even had a look at it yet, Kev, have we?
Nope, definitely not.
We didn't even drive it into this
So
position.
be had blue this, will it?
Had blue.
Had blue.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Okay.
it's different.
That is different.
Ooh, something bad.
Tell you what, it's big seats, Kev, big seats.
It's 3 belts. Ah, you sleep transversely on it, do you?
I don't know. I don't know how to switch anything on.
Compressor fridge.
Hang on, Kev, you've done the review by the time I've worked out how to switch to on. Right, I've got here, look, we've got a gas store here.
Yeah.
Oh, look, that's come on. was telling, oh, there's, I'll show you that there, like, little gassy thing there. So that's going to be our heating, 12 volts, two USBs and a 230. So, right, we've got, hang on, what's that there, Kev?
You got a bed up above. Yeah.
Oh, hang on, yeah, I'll look, see that?
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Look, so,
When you're in bed, you can shut yourself up there.
make a bigger bed.
Yeah, that's good.
I like that.
That's different, isn't it? Instead of a loose one that you got to drop in place.
Yeah, I do like that.
That's been well thought out, that.
Oh, got it the wrong way round.
That's the Skyline pop top, isn't it? It must come with that.
Yeah, I'm thinking so. Give you that back.
You went me the wrong way around, then. Is this the multifunctional steering wheel?
It is, Kevin. Yeah.
Yeah, it means it's got all the controls on the steering wheel, yeah. Nice cab, the Volkswagen, aren't
It
it?
is a nice cab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they've gone,
swish.
it's gone more sporty like the Ford as well, hasn't it? I like the seats. 2 armrests as well on each seat, Jace.
You know, aren't they? Do they swivel?
Yeah, I'm sure they do. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, both swivel.
Where did they swivel then? Yeah, they do swivel, Kev.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, leave it there.
Where? Ah, I've got it. Got it. I've got it, Kev. Got it. There you go.
Yep, swivelly seats.
One swivelly seat.
Don't know about, no, this one. You could probably turn it sideways, but you can't swivel it because you've got a cupboard right behind it.
No, but you could move it forward.
Yeah.
And have like a little sittery thing.
Yeah, sort of sit side
Yeah,
like.
give me the camera. What are you over there? Got to prove that it does swivel. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah, but you'd have to.
Yeah, it was a nice little bit of a chill out area though, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Well, when that one's swivel fully, then you're okay. Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
But it's handy for when you want to get out, isn't it, and get into the back. Right. Compressor fridge.
Compressor.
It's a nice little fridge, that.
Isn't it? Yeah, I love that. Ooh, what's this going to be, Kev?
It's a drawer.
I know it's a drawer. Is it soft close?
No.
That's quite hard to close.
And that bar there's for your table. You must have a table somewhere.
Yeah, we'll go hunting for that. Abracadabra. Oh, okay. We've
Sink
got
combines.
2 being a hob.
Oh, sink.
Sink. It's neat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, normally on your Volkswagen, you have everything all along the one side, don't you?
That's why we've got the bigger bed.
Which
This is comfy, this
Yeah,
is.
give you more room, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Fresh water tank, just show you that.
Yeah. Something you can say there.
Yeah, so you got there, fresh water tank. And obviously, I did go through them earlier on.
And again, you haven't got a gas bottle because you've got another slung tank.
Now, curtains.
Yep.
And then open. Yeah, press down. Yeah, that opens. And then, what else have we got here, Kev? We've got battery test.
Yep.
Yeah, we've got more USBs. So we've got 4 USBs, another power point, another 12 volt. Yeah.
Oh dear.
But be careful.
So,
Just looking down there, Kev. Can you just see? Looks like we've got our battery charge and we've got the 230. Oh, there's your battery under there and the fuses. That's neat. Can you see it all?
yeah. Like I say, you haven't got a gas bottle inside the van, have you? So that
No.
helps.
No.
There's your outlet for your heater, for your diesel heater.
Now, the question is, how do we make the bed up?
Hi Jason, have you sussed this bed out?
Right. From past experience and years of experience, I think I know how it works, Kev.
You've not had a practice, have you?
No, I've not had a practice.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Look, we've got a little. See that there?
A little catch there, yeah.
Little catch. They make it easy, do they?
This is where he traps his hand.
Oh.
So you go get the first aid kit out.
Oh no, yeah. So there's one.
Yeah.
Bar.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah. Not the sort of bar I like the bar that's got alcohol in it. Right.
Back end now, let's go down the back.
Go around the back. Well, this has got the tailgate rather than the barn doors, hasn't it?
I like these.
I prefer them.
I do.
Yeah.
It's a lovely colour, you know. It's coming across in the video.
Mm.
This can't be too hot, can it? Yeah.
We've had one of these before. That was like that. If you remember, I sat on it and it dropped and I slid out.
That was quite amusing, actually. So,
yes, you did think it
there's
was
your
funny.
table.
There's the table. Oh, I think,
There we go.
is that one of that? Yeah. Oh, so there's your screen for around your windscreen. Hook up cable. Jack and wheel brace there.
Put that back in. Yeah, jack and wheel brace. Yeah. Let's go try this bed, Kev.
Any excuse for a lie down.
Tell you what, it's big, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's a good roomy bed.
Isn't it? I can do every way.
Yeah.
I can do everywhere. That is a good size.
And you've got to remember,
Carbon monoxide smoke alarm.
and you've got 5 belts in it.
That's a good shout. Yeah.
So it is a good everyday drive van.
It is, Kev.
Yeah, it's quite a nice conversion, this, James.
It isn't it?
Mm.
So let's just, I want to show, oh, here we go. Now to just come round here.
So you can leave that made up like that anyway. You don't have to drop
Yeah, you
that.
could do.
Yeah.
See, there's all the kit there.
Yeah, so
That's
it's,
nice and easy
because
to
I
get
thought,
at.
oh, it's a bit hard for access, but it's not when you do
No,
this.
not at all.
Makes sense now.
Yeah, so we've got a Victron on it as well. That's your lights. Look, you turned them off now. There you go, back on again. Stop playing. Yes, so that back bit though, obviously you can lift up the storage, can't you?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So there we go.
That's a different conversion, isn't it? It's better than your rock and roll bed.
Yeah, it's huge though.
Yeah.
And tell you what, it's comfy.
You put the handbrake on this.
No, I never do. Don't put it in gear.
Alright.
There you go. So what do you think?
Like it? It's
Yeah.
not. It's got everything you need, and you haven't got it all laid out down that one side, have you?
No, it's different.
Alright, you haven't got a wardrobe, but why would you want a wardrobe in a camper van, really? Yeah.
We're getting underslung gas.
Yeah.
We're getting heating as well.
Yeah.
What more can you ask for?
Mm.
Pretty much what you're going to get.
All you need in a camper
Yeah.
van. You've got plenty of storage under the seat.
Yeah, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah. You've got no cupboards in that, have you? But
No,
you
no.
don't- it's not necessary.
But whether you've got cupboards or not when you're going away in one of these, are you taking a lot of stuff with you?
No.
You're not anyway, are you?
No.
So, nice van. It's a nice van. It's different. Great bed.
Mm.
And great area for just relaxing.
Yeah, that's
as well.
different. It's definitely different. I like it.
Yeah. So there you have the Volkswagen. We've actually told you the proper story now of Pegasus. So we've now got a facts
We're our
right.
partners now for finance. Yep.
So there you have it, the Volkswagen. If you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see
Did
you
we,
in another
did we
video.
discuss price on this?
It's about, I'd say it's going to be about 45.
Yeah.
That's what I think it
And if
is.
you need finance, we can do finance through Pegasus.
There you go. So if you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.